Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. I love anything that makes traveling simpler, and that is why I love this set of carry-on luggage from Joyway.
Having the right bags is so important when traveling carry on only. You need to be able to fit as much as possible, but still have it nice and organized and convenient in the way that it fits on the airplane to make everything easier for you. This set of luggage is so perfect. It comes with this roller 20-inch hard side suitcase that fits so much, and everything fits in there nice and snugly. I also really appreciate that the hard case suitcase has a mounted combination lock on the side, and that way, if you do have to check your luggage, you know everything will be safe. And this set also comes with a great duffel bag as well as a smaller cosmetic bag. And I really just love the look of this luggage and how everything fits together so seamlessly. The spinner wheels are silent and so smooth over all the surfaces that I traveled on. And the duffel bag, even when it is in an expanded state, fits perfectly under the seat in front of you. They really made the perfect travel set.
If you're looking for a high quality, stylish set of carry-on luggage for your next adventure, I highly recommend this set from Joyway, and that is my point of view.